cute as what?
You
both are very
different talents.
You're both very cute.
You're both very cute.
And
what? Don't cry.
you don't think that your brother's cute?
He is, but I'm the cutest.
Apple. Don't be silly.
Why does that make you sad?
Just because we said that Pommy was cute doesn't mean that you're not cute.
No, but I'm the cutest. He's the most awesomest.
Aww.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody's got a special thing, and that's my special thing.
Really?
I think you probably have other special things that are more special.
No, I'm just the cutest.
Oh, Apple, you're really, really cute.
Cutest.
And, and
Just saying.
you're the cutest.